Now this is a question. You have to check the continuity of fx is equal to mod x at x is equal to 0 in first question, and here it is f of x is equal to mod x is a continuous function. Means here I will check at point and this is throughout. So definition of fx is f of x is equal to minus x when x is less than 0 and x greater than equal to 0. So first left hand limit, which is limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. So limit h tends to 0. If I put the value over here, so it will be minus 0 minus h, which is h 0, so 0. Right hand limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. So limit h tends to 0, 0 plus h is 0 and f of 0 is also 0. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of 0 is equal to 0. So function is continuous at x is equal to 0. I have shown this at a point. Now I will show it throughout. So here I will make the case. First I will assume c is any real number. First I will assume c is less than 0. Means c is negative. So let limit x tends to c minus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of c minus h according to the definition of limits. So I am getting over here limit h tends to 0 minus of c minus h from here definition. So I am getting f of minus, the value is getting minus c and c is negative. So minus minus will make it plus. Minus c is here and c is negative number. So I will get a positive value over here. Now case 2 is c is greater than 0. So limit x tends to c plus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h. So when I am putting c plus h, it will become c plus h over here. So f of c plus h, limit h tends to 0, c plus h is c. Here c is positive, so positive value. What is f of c? That will be c. And what is f of c over here? That is minus c. Because I am taking c less than 0. So function is continuous in this domain. Function is continuous in this domain. And at x is equal to 0, I have already shown you the function is continuous. So 3 cases will be there. Case 1 when c is less than 0. Case 2 when c is equal to 0. And case 3 when c is greater than 0. And case 3 is when c is equal to 0. 3 cases. C less than 0, c greater than 0 and c is equal to 0. Is equal to 0, you will repeat this.